Hey guys, today we are taking a look at a really interesting ergonomic chair that comes in at under $200, and honestly, that's usually where a lot of chairs start cutting corners. But this one actually surprised me. Right out of the box, the chair feels comfortable and modern. Design is clean, minimal, and fits nicely whether you are in a home office, studio setup, or just a simple desk space. Now, in terms of adjustability, you are getting all the basics you would expect: height, tilt, but more importantly, the lumbar support here is not just fixed. It actually adapts to your back as you sit. And that's something you don't usually see in this price range. So if you are someone who spends a few hours or even 6 to 8 hours a day at your desk, that kind of support really starts to matter over time. It just feels more natural and less fatiguing. Another highlight here is the reclining mechanism. It's very smooth, not stiff or overly mechanical. Just a natural lean that makes it easy to switch between focused work and a more relaxed position. Now, the seat itself is probably the most unique part of this chair. Instead of a traditional foam, it uses more of a suspension style design, which helps distribute your weight more evenly. And over longer sessions, that actually makes a noticeable difference. You don't get that same pressure buildup you might expect from cheaper chairs. Again, this is something you typically don't find under $200. Build quality is also solid for the price. It's lightweight, but still feels stable and well put together. The wheels are smooth and quiet too, which is great if you are working in a quieter environment like a studio. Assembly is quick and straightforward, nothing complicated. You can have it ready pretty fast. Now, to be clear, this is not trying to compete with high-end $500 or $600 chairs, but for under $200, it actually delivers a really well-balanced experience. So if you are on a budget and want something comfortable, supportive, and a bit more advanced than your typical entry-level chair, this is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this here on HelloVSTV. I will see you in the next one.